Okay, so to start, take your paracord or shoelace and measure 9 inches and cut it there. Then put that with 2 sides through the zipper opening. I'm having some trouble there. Then once you do that, put the 2 ends through and pull it tight. Do a knot and pull that knot really tight. Right here I burn the ends because why not play with fire, right? Pinch that with some pliers. Then I take the casings and see which one fits the best with that size of knot. I trim that again to fit the casing better. Again, let's play with fire. Pinch it with some pliers again. For this one, the 40 Smith & Wesson seem to fit better, so I'm just checking the knot and making sure everything fits right. Push it down with the scissors. Here you want to hold the casing with the pliers because it gets hot when you put the hot glue in there. So I fill it about halfway up, then put the knot in and push it down with the scissors to make sure it goes all the way to the bottom. Right there I just trim any excess glue that's hanging over. Clearing some more excess glue. Here's my Ryan Sheckler skating sweatshirt with some bright neon colors. So that's why I chose that color of shoelace, and that casing matches with the logo.